Last one.
Last one. I didn't watch this yet. These are the outtakes, Bo Burnham's outtakes from Inside.
Yeah.
And they were posted like 2 days ago?
Yeah, it was trending #1 on YouTube.
Yeah. I saw a lot of people tweeting about it. I just haven't had a chance to watch it yet. So apparently this footage been sitting around, never made it into Inside, obviously.
There's some
And
new songs.
Then he had a chance to edit together and create something for his YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
You can see you have almost 250,000 likes. People are into it.
Mm-hmm.
And it's the outtakes. And are any of the outtakes better than the intakes?
I haven't gotten through this thing yet, but he did a few more Jeff Bezos songs, which I think are very funny.
More than one Jeff Bezos.
Well, there's like 3 in the Inside.
Right.
Yeah, so there's more.
It's a theme.
I think there's some cool portions in here where you see him kind of not screw up, but like set up things, and it's kind of cool. Like you get like a BTS vibe from it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm halfway through. It's man, his songs are so catchy.
Yeah, I know.
Right. So go ahead.
Well, the way that he kind of matches sound with his tone and the content and what he says is completely different than the vibe of the song. Is just
right.
A juxtaposition.
So
he or is this outtakes like different takes of the stuff that made it into the film, or is it totally different stuff?
Well, some of it isn't. Like, as you saw, some of it was like, this is that Welcome to the Internet.
Right.
Now, Will, I haven't made it this far. Have you made it this far?
No.
This might just be like different verses, but typically it's actually new songs.
Okay. Gotcha.
Mm-hmm.
I'll check it out.
YouTube Kid.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll check it out. No doubt about it. Thank you to Blind Optimist. Appreciate it. Appreciate everybody who joined here today. Thank you for all the super chats. Thank you for all the messages. Thank you to Will. Thank you to Mo. What a time to be alive, 2022. What is today, Will?
The 2nd.
Is it Thursday?
It is Thursday.
Wait, the 6th.
It's Thursday.
No, it's the second. It's the second.
What just happened?
It's okay. I gotta say, man, like the dates with the metric and imperial. I gotta stop the song for this.
Whoa!
What the hell is going on?
No. This is a real take right here.
So in Windows, it has the date first, the month. No, the actual day, and then month, and then
year.
The year. But in metric, it's flipped.
How does it go?
It's the day first, and then month.
What do you mean? That's the same as...
It's always day, month, year.
No, the imperial system, isn't it? Like the month first?
Yeah, somebody does it weird. I just don't know who.
Yeah. What do you guys prefer? Like I always get confused with that.
Day, month, year. It seems linear to me. Like I understand what day it is, then I understand what month it is, and
Isn't
I
that
know
the
what
metric
year.
System then?
I don't know which system it is, but that's how I write my dates. And that's how I like my dates. I like how we stopped the music for this.
Stop a song for that.
We were so close.
You stopped a song for that. You maniac, Will. That's the one that got you?
That's the one that always gets.
After all these years.
Yeah.
That's the one that defeated you.
And we always had the argument of imperial.
No, I mean, not an argument, Will. We just talk.
Will, if it's...
never an
passionate
argument.
about it.
Never an argument.
So, yeah, okay.
Oh, in the U.S., it's month, day, and year. Glad we got that settled.
Well, the music is back. And the reason I was asking about the day is because I thought...
I forgot.
Like, I don't know if we're going to have a show tomorrow, essentially.
Oh, right.
Right? Because depending what we have to shoot and how long I'm here for. So this might be it until next week. But maybe not. Maybe you'll see us tomorrow. Maybe it could be a shortened version or something like that. We'll have to wait and see. Thank you for all your support. And go check out the Discord that Will's been working on. Join up and enhance and continue to grow and evolve the community. That's you guys. All right. See you later.